Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to appear offline on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To appear offline on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your account. To begin, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, you need to access the settings. To do this, tap on the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines situated at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the options and look for the section labeled Message and Story Replies. This is where you can adjust your activity status settings. Under Activity Status, make sure the feature is turned off. You can also find this setting by using the search bar at the top of the screen if you prefer a quicker route. Once turned off, your activity status will no longer be visible to others, allowing you to appear offline while using the app. So that's basically how to appear offline on Instagram. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.